This is a foolproof banana blueberry muffin recipe. Perfect for beginners and honestly great for anyone who just wants bakery-style result at home. One batch makes 6 small muffins. Let's get the dry ingredients ready. Measure 140 grams of plain flour. Add 2 grams of baking powder. 1 gram of baking soda. And 1 gram of salt. Whisk it together so everything's evenly distributed. Over to the wet side. Melt 30 grams of butter. Stir in 14 grams of Greek yogurt and 15 grams of sugar. Crack in 2 eggs. Mix the first one in before adding the second. And keep going until the batter looks smooth and creamy, almost like a drinkable yogurt texture. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and gently bring it together. As soon as the flour disappears, stop. Too much mixing makes muffins dense instead of fluffy. Mash 1 banana into a smooth puree. And fold it in. Add 30 ml of room temperature milk and mix lightly. Now for the blueberries, take 80 grams, sprinkle in half a tablespoon of flour, and give the bowl a shake so every berry gets coated. That little step keeps them floating instead of sinking. Fold them into batter carefully. You want juicy blueberries, not purple batter. Your finished batter should look like thick yogurt. That's the secret to soft, moist muffins. Scoop the batter evenly into 6 muffin cups. While baking in an air fryer, the challenge is that heat mostly comes from the top, so the temperature can be uneven. Pour 150 ml of water into the basket. Preheat at 200 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Let the steam help balance everything out. Bake at 200 degrees centigrade for 3 minutes. Then slip a small cross on the top with scissors. This keeps the surface from sealing too fast and pushing the batter out the sides. Back in at 200 degrees centigrade for another 3 minutes. The color looks great by now, but the inside still needs time. Cover with foil so the tops don't burn. And finish baking at 85 degrees centigrade for about 20 minutes. Right out of the fryer, they're crispy on the outside, soft in the middle, with blueberry popping in every bite. After resting overnight, texture gets even more moist and rich. Once fully cooled, seal and store at room temperature for up to 3 days. Now it's your turn. Go bake some magic. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe to Bae's Kitchen. See you next time.